Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mukbang. Today I'm doing my first coffee and chat related one. I've got my freshly made coffee. It says I love you a latte, which, plain words, I love you a lot. I thought it was cute. So, coffee for me is a multiple times a day kind of thing. And I love mine strong. So today I'm actually going to be trying Pop-Tarts for the first time. So I don't know if you can see. I've toasted up my Pop-Tarts. And already I gotta say, I'm not really happy with how they look because they don't look like how they look on the packet. Just saying. I'll show you what ones I've got. Pop-Tarts, frosted strawberry sensation flavor. They do not look like that. See? No, I'm sorry, but they don't. I've also got Tim Tams because I'm going to do a Tim Tam slam with you all. If you don't know what that is, you soon will. I forgot I had a little bit here that I'd started, so. How I normally have my coffee. I normally have it white in one, but because I'm having so much sugar, I'm like, no, I'll just have it white. So, it's nice and hot. Alright, we're going to try this first Pop-Tart. I can't believe I've never had them. Like, they're not a thing as it is in Australia, as it is in America, I believe. So, I don't know, I've just never had them. So, I toasted it so you can see. Have it on the pretty side, Jess. I mean, come on. Ugh. Now, they didn't even look like on the packet. I'm like, I don't know what to expect. They're interesting. It's kind of like a strudely flavour with a short crust pastry. I mean, if this is what American kids are having all the time for breakfast, then that's our obesity problem. I'm just saying. They're so sweet. The filling's quite nice. Don't know how I feel about them though. I don't hate them. They're an odd thing to me. I think I like the icing more than the filling. I'm glad I got them when they were on sale. I don't hate them, but I'm not going to buy them again. I'd rather buy Tim Tams. It's so sweet. So have you guys been doing? Can I talk? No. Alright, for those of you that don't know what a Tim Tam is, this is a Tim Tam. And a Tim Tam slam is where you bite the corner of each side off and you use it like a straw. I don't think I've actually ever done it before, so we'll see how messy this gets. So, you bite it off really tiny. It worked and then it failed. It fell in. Alright, we'll try it again because I've got more right here. Maybe it's how I bit it. And then it goes all mushy. Making a mess. I'm going to attempt this other Pop-Tart. So this week I haven't really been up to that much. School Thursday. Did I go Wednesday? Yeah, I went Wednesday. I didn't go to work Tuesday. Tomorrow we're seeing, what is it? Zootopia. Which I'm really looking forward to. I thought these would be good for dunking. Who else dunks? I'm kind of getting used to them because I actually don't mind them now. I think I'd eat these rarely. Well, you know when you're desperate for something sweet. So I've got a Tim Tam lost somewhere melting in there. I do love me my coffee. How many guys do you drink a day? If you drink coffee, I drink probably 6. I don't think I'm going to be able to get these. The Pop-Tarts are so sweet. I just got the biscuit bit. So tomorrow's a day, like public holiday in Australia, Anzac Day. And I tried filming a lookbook and it just wasn't happening. I'm like, no, I don't do fashion. Didn't work. Complete fail. I was so awkward, and I'm like worried about when people were walking by, and I'm like, no, I cannot do it. At least I. And then like up with the Tim Tam in the bottom. Alright guys, well that was my first little coffee chat dessert mukbang. I'm trying to burp and it's like weird. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media, join me on Snapchat, I'll link everything down below, and I shall see you guys in another video soon. Bye!